Hey everyone, today we are diving into the exciting world of AI image generation, and specifically we are going to learn how to use awesome image generation tool in Qwenlm.ai. Have you ever had an amazing picture in your head that you just couldn't quite bring into the life? Well, with Qwenlm.ai you can. It's surprisingly easy and we are going to walk through it step by step. First thing first, open Qwenlm.ai on your laptop. Make sure that you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the image generation section. It might be listed in the main menu, which is over here. Do you found it? Great. Now you will see a text box. This is where the magic happens. First of all, go to image generation, tap on image generation, and this is image generation. So here are certain examples. You can use the prompt from here, or you can write it over here. The prompt is simply a description of what you want the AI to create. The more descriptive you are, the better the results will be. Think about the details, like what do you want to see, like a cat, a spaceship, or a fantasy forest, and choose the style, like do you want it to be a photorealistic, cartoonist, oil painting, or futuristic, and what mood you are going for example, happy, mysterious, or dramatic. Let's try a simple one together. How about a majestic lion sitting on mountain top at the sunrise, realistic style? Let's type it up. Okay, now the prompt is in. So here's only one option, that is you can choose the ratio from here. Let's keep it 16.9 right now. Then after you are done, click on upward arrow, which is this one. It is used to send the message. Tap on it and let's give an Qwenlm.ai a few moments. Tada! Look at that. Wow, pretty cool, right? That's how easy it is to generate images with Qwenlm.ai. You can now experiment with the different prompts, styles, and options to create all sorts of amazing visuals. Now here's the fun part. It's your turn. Pause the video right now, head over to Qwenlm.ai and try generating your own page. What will you create? A dream landscape, fantastical creature? Let your imagination run wild. Once you have created something you love, come back to the comment section below and tell us what you have generated. We'll love to see what you have come up with and maybe even give you some prompt ideas. That's it for today's tutorial on image generation in Qwenlm.ai. It's a powerful tool. We have just scratched the surface. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and most importantly, have fun. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, a little bit beautiful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.